In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install, activate, and import demo theme settings using the Shella Shopify theme. So let's dive right in and transform your Shopify store with the wonderful Shella theme. Getting started is simple. First, you'll need to access your Shopify admin dashboard. Begin by navigating to your store's homepage in the Shopify admin. Once you're there, locate and click on the Online Store tab in the left-hand menu. This is where all the magic with themes happens. After entering the online store section, look for the option to manage your themes. You'll notice a button called Import Theme. Click on it to upload the Shella theme file that you've previously downloaded from a source that provides this theme. Make sure you've got your theme file ready on your device. After successfully uploading the theme file, you'll notice that the theme appears on your theme library list. This is a crucial step to ensure everything is in place for customization. Next, you'll see 3 dots next to your newly uploaded theme. Click on them to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this list, select the Preview option. Previewing your theme before making it live allows you to get a sense of what your store will look like once the theme is activated, and you can ensure everything appears as expected. It's a great way to spot any potential issues before they go public on your storefront. Now that you've previewed your new theme, it's time to highlight the Shella theme in your library. This simply means choosing it as the theme you'll be working on and customizing. Click on the Highlight option, which sets the focus on this theme. Once that's done, you'll want to download the theme file to save a backup version of your theme. You can do this by selecting the Download Theme File option. It's a safety measure in case you want to restore original settings or duplicate the theme for another project. Finally, to wrap things up, you might want to send the theme file via email, especially if you're collaborating with someone or need to access it from different devices. You can easily do this by clicking on Send Email. Make sure to send it to the correct email address associated with your Shopify account or team member. This step ensures you have a handy version of your theme stored safely. That's it! You've successfully installed, activated, and imported demo theme settings on your Shopify store using the Shella theme. By following these steps, you're on your way to creating a stunning and functional storefront that attracts your target audience. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.